Welcome to our web development journey. Whether you are a coding pro or just starting, join us for exciting tutorials and projects. Let's explore the world of HTML and Flask, building cool web applications together. Hit subscribe and let's start. Let's dive into the HTML magic that brings our web application to life. In the HTML section of our Flask URL shortener tutorial, we have crafted a visually appealing and user-friendly web page. The head introduces a link to an external CSS file, enhancing the aesthetics with a custom style. The body hosts our main content, featuring a bold URL shortener heading, a form for inputting URLs, and a list displaying previously shortened URL. The HTML structure combined with CSS styling creates an engaging user interface. Users can effortlessly interact with the form, shorten URLs, and manage their entries. Each element is carefully designed to provide a seamless and enjoyable experience for our audience. Behind the scenes, Flask powers the functionality of our URL shortener. The Flask web framework handles HTTP requests and responses, making our application dynamic and responsive. The index function fetches URL mappings from an SQLite database and renders the HTML templates with the retrieved data. The shorten function processes user submitted forms, generating unique shortcodes and updating the database. Robust error handling ensures a smooth user experience even in the face of potential conflicts. The redirect to original function directs user to the original URLs based on shortcodes, providing a seamless navigation experience. Additionally, the delete URL function allows users to remove entries, maintaining control over their shortened links. Together, the HTML and Flask components create a powerful synergy, resulting in a functional and user-friendly URL shortener application. Stay tuned for more exciting content as we unravel the world of web development together.